Page 47, Jamaican Jive. Another piece in A flat major. So let's look at this. Common timer, 4/4 time with 8 notes all over the place. Real slow. All it is the one chord that's broken up. And that's tied, so you 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Watch these notes, they may not be what you think they are, so be careful. I'm going a little fast. You can take this really super slow. It's just, if you don't want a thumb on that, second finger will do. Now the last line, it's simply a scale going down. You can do the A flat major scale, this is simple enough. And the third measure over, it's just going up. So it's another reason to learn the scales, because you get these passages in pieces and it makes it so much easier to play them. Left hand has the broken chords. You got the 1 chord, then the 5/7 chord. That's really all it is in the left hand. Put them together slowly. You'll notice I'm going my slow. Your slow might be a lot slower than that. Whatever it is. So you got to work it out so you can play it without any hesitations or anything. Let's go down to the last line. You're here. Or go on to the third measure. You here. Once you have an idea of the notes and the rhythms, and try that articulation. This is a little tricky articulation. And the left hand, simple enough, it's just a wrist. Short. I push down and bounce off. And if I have time, I'll come back down and put the hands on the keys again before I do it again. If I don't have time, then it has to be an up and down motion. Don't go way up. I tend to exaggerate for the camera, but it's a small motion. That's the left hand, all the way through, staccatos. Oh goody. The right hand staccato, if it were slow enough, the wrist would work fine. Not all staccatos, but if you're going to play it faster, then you pretty much have to do a finger staccato. And that's tricky, because now you're doing one thing in one hand and the other thing in another, and that may take some time to work out. You don't have to go that fast. Slow it down if you... What's your spirit like? I don't know. Last line again, staccato. Those accents, just give them a little extra oomph. You give them the last measure too. The last 2 measures. Like so. I'll leave the articulation up to you to work out. Just work it out really super slow at first. These are all short staccatos, except for those notes in the right hand that are not staccato. You got a couple of notes there that are not staccato, 3 notes or somewhere. Try the dynamics. The dynamics here are really a suggestion. That's the right hand. Keep the left hand soft. And then the last line, you have a crescendo coming down. Just a little louder. Take your time getting loud. Don't get loud too soon. And then same thing in the other measures. The last 2 measures, you're going to get a little louder going up. That's the right hand we're talking about. Keep the left hand down. So Get to know the piece and then start feeling these dynamics. Now there's a note on this too. You can transpose this to A major. Again, 3 sharps instead of 4 flats, but just read the same notes. You're just thinking in the key of A major. That's all. It just hit. I'll leave that up to you. You can transpose it if you want to. It's fun sometimes. I like to play it with you slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do the dynamics, just the notes and the rhythms. Now we will take the first and second endings just like it's written. So I'll give us 4 counts. Now let's try it slowly. 1, 2, ready and go, and. And. Repeat. Second ending, 1 and 2 and rest.